Hey everyone, you're sitting on a beach, sipping a cocktail, watching the sunset. You're financially secure, thanks to a smart investment strategy. But where did this strategy come from? Where is the mastermind behind your financial freedom? Building context. Wealthsimple is a Canadian fintech company that has been making waves in the investment world. They've simplified investing for millions of people, making it accessible and affordable. But have you ever wondered where this innovative company is actually based? The mystery of Wealthsimple's location. It might surprise you to know that Wealthsimple isn't headquartered in a bustling financial hub like New York or London. In fact, it's located in a much more unexpected place, Toronto, Canada. That's right, the city of maple syrup and hockey is home to this groundbreaking investment platform. Why Toronto? There are a few reasons why Toronto makes sense as the home of Wealthsimple. First, Canada has a strong reputation for financial stability and regulatory oversight. This provides a secure environment for a company like Wealthsimple to operate. Second, Toronto is a tech hub with a thriving startup ecosystem. This gives Wealthsimple access to a pool of talented engineers and developers. The Wealthsimple experience. While the location of Wealthsimple might be interesting, it's the company's mission and values that truly matter. Wealthsimple aims to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience or background. They offer a variety of investment products, including ETFs, mutual funds, and fractional shares. The impact of Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple has had a significant impact on the investment industry. By simplifying the process and reducing fees, they've made it easier for people to take control of their financial future. This has led to increased participation in the stock market and greater financial literacy. The future of Wealthsimple. As Wealthsimple continues to grow, it's exciting to think about what the future holds. The company has already expanded into several international markets, and it's likely that they'll continue to innovate and find new ways to make investing more accessible. Conclusion. So, the next time you're using Wealthsimple to invest your money, remember that it all started in Toronto, Canada. This city has played a crucial role in the company's success, and it's a testament to the innovative spirit of Canada's tech scene. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.